How to fix Netflix finish signing up to start watching problem. So if you want to fix Netflix finish signing up to start watching problem, then first here you might have this kind of interface, right? So you will have this kind of interface where it says finish signing up to start watching. So what you need to do is you just need to simply copy the link. You will have an option of copy link, right? So simply tap on copy link and then go for a browser and paste that link on your browser. And after tapping on that link here, you will have this kind of interface on your screen, right? So in order to fix this problem, what you need to do is you just need to choose a plan. So here tap on next. Once you tap on next, it will take you to this kind of page where you will have the plans. So simply you can choose mobile or basic, standard, and most popular. Your monthly price will be right here, and then your video and sound quality, the resolution, and all of the features that you have. So you can simply choose the standard and it will have that kind of features. And if you choose the mobile version, then you will have other features or other price for that. So you can simply choose any one of these options that is good for you, and then scroll down and tap on next. And here you need to tap on choose how to pay. You can add your credit or your debit card, or you can also choose your PayPal account. So you can simply tap on credit or debit, and then you can add your credit or debit card, and then tap on start membership, which is on the bottom of your screen, and you will start your membership, and then you can watch your Netflix. So if you get that problem, then it just simply means that you need to take a premium plan or a subscription, and you need to have the Netflix membership to finish signing up. And that's it. By simply entering the information of your details or card details, and after getting a membership plan, you will be able to fix that problem. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.